Just a quick update here. I have managed to get the Ref 150 circuit board completely stripped, and you can see just how bad the corrosion here really is. This area seems to be the worst of it, and like right here, if you look, you can see how much corrosion was underneath this trimmer here that used to sit right here. And this is why I could never just leave it. It's going to have to be a combination of scrubbed and probably some Scotch-Brite, and it needs to be cleaned up pretty good. And so you can see in some areas, let's see here, this is my mixture of 5-to-1 muratic acid, and it's not real aggressive in cleaning. Muratic acid can be really strong if used straight, and so I just use a 5-to-1 mixture and then let it sit for a while, and then I'll work on other areas here, on some traces over here, and just kind of systematically go through here and clean up as much of this as I can. What was real interesting was that this corrosion that's on the top side here was acting as an insulator. I could not desolder the parts from the top. I had to desolder them from the bottom. And when you look at the bottom of the board is really in pretty good shape. There are some spots like here where you can see where water seeped through the through holes and leaked to the bottom side. And then this, of course, is heat damage here from the resistors that were on the top side. But a lot of cleaning up left to do. Got to go through and suck out all the solder off of the bottom of the board here, and then go through and do a lot of scrubbing and cleaning and try and clean up these traces. But this here came out really pretty good, so that gives me some hope that I can clean this up. If the bottom side of the board was bad, I would just try and soak it in a bath of muriatic acid, and I still might do that. But rubbing alcohol and everything else I've tried hasn't even touched it. So oh yeah, I didn't pull these off down here. I didn't see a need to. This end of the board here is actually really pretty clean. It's just sort of here, with this area here being the worst. And the tube sockets that were down here, the only way to get these off is to just cut the pins and then desolder what's left of them. I'm going to replace them anyway, so I didn't really care about them. Same thing here. I just went underneath and cut the tube sockets here for the small sockets. Just cut the pins off the bottom and then pulled them out. So anyway, just thought I'd give you a quick update. There's the pile of parts. We'll go through here and clean this up, and once I have this all shined up, I'll bring it back again before I start rebuilding it.